Hey guys, it's Julia here, and today I have a special video for you guys. Now, as you guys know, today, or maybe yesterday, since I'm uploading this video the next day, is April 8th, 2022. As you know, Windows XP lost support April 8th of 2014, so it's been 8 years since Windows XP lost support. So I thought I would make a video, a very special one, showing this computer right here, this HP Pavilion A350Y. Now this computer I got back in 2011 or 2012. I think it was 2011 because our home computer broke and this was our new home computer. And then when I moved, I was given this computer since it wasn't being, a home computer anymore. And then I used it in my office. And then in 2014, I reinstalled this. I wasn't in the office at the time as I had it at another place, but I reinstalled it back in 2014. I made a computer adventure on it. If you guys want to watch that, I'll leave a card up above. I think it's a pretty long one. I don't know if it has parts. I think it's just one video, if I can recall. But it has that same install on this computer. I hope the hard drive still works, because I have not booted this computer in I don't even know how long. So in this video, we're going to be taking a trip down memory lane. We're going to be taking a look at what's on this computer, the XP installation, and all that good stuff. Now, as you guys know, this is actually my Windows XP box when I got sent the Windows XP sweater back in 2019, which was pretty cool, and I still have the sweater, but this is the box. I thought it'd be appropriate to show the box for this video. So this is the computer, and it's a bit dusty. I cleaned it a little bit, like as much as I could. It does have a sticker for XP Home Edition. I obviously covered it up though, because I don't want to show the product key on the video, even though, I don't even know if it's being used. Well, technically the factory install's on here. But as you can see, I cleared off this whole desk for the video because this is like my other boxes and the laptop that was sitting over there. As you can see, I have a lot of boxes, but that was all over here, but I cleared it all off so I can make this video. So we're going to be booting this and seeing what's on it. So without all this talking, because I've talked a lot, I'm going to plug it in. Now, as you guys know, the Ethernet isn't connected because I want to keep it offline in case apps or things try updating. The reason I have it unplugged, this computer has a tendency sometimes to power on when you plug it in. I don't know if it's going to, but it might. It looks like it did, because I didn't touch it, and the fan is going nuts. I hope it works. It does work. Oh, goodness. The checksum is bad. Oh, what? It disappeared. No way. What is it doing? Oh, please don't tell me the hard drive failed. It's blinking. Uh-oh. Well, that's the hard drive. Is it booting? Oh. What? This was a dual boot with Windows 7 on it? Oh yeah, I think I did do that. Earlier version of Windows is probably XP, and there's 7, then there's the recovery console, probably 4. I don't know if it's XP or 7. Earlier version of Windows, I think, is XP, so let's boot that. Home Edition, yeah, Home Edition or Recovery, yeah, this is XP. Wow, it's booting, guys. You guys remember this from back in 2014. I know some of you guys watching might have been subscribed to me all the way back in 2014. It's crazy how far I've gotten. I want to thank you guys for watching and subscribing, because I haven't really, thanked people in videos that often. I mean, in some videos like the specials I did, but just want to say thank you guys, especially the ones that have been here for a while. But if you're new, that's also cool too. Uh-oh, do I know the password? I don't know the password to the user account. Uh-oh. Is my mouse working? It isn't. What's my hint? I can't even view the hint. There is a password that I think I might have put. I'm not entirely sure. There's one I'm thinking that was like really stupid that I might have put on here. Let me actually try it. Hold on. I think this was the password. It was. No way. Okay. Cool. I remembered it. After all these years, I remembered the password to this computer, and it was like something really stupid. The mouse is not working though. Uh-oh. Is that the mouse? Oh shoot. The mouse isn't being recognized? Are you serious? Maybe that plug doesn't work. Let's try the other one. Okay, nope. Let me plug this in the back. It's still popping up and I'm not even doing anything. Okay guys, I will be right back. Well guys, the mouse is finally working after a few seconds of plugging it in. I guess the front USB ports just don't work. Oh yeah, I found new hardware. Of course, some HP thing is popping up. Oh, recovery CDs. I already created these. Well, it didn't create them, I actually bought them. I think you guys remember in the video, I actually got recovery discs for this and loaded it. No, remind me later, because maybe one day I will actually try and create some, even though I have some. We have Windows updates, apparently. They're just Office. I'm surprised this computer still works, to be honest. In fact, you guys are probably wondering, what are the specs of this? Well, here is the computer. It's a Pentium 4. It's not detecting all the RAM, because I know this had like 3 or 4 gigs of RAM, and it's only showing 1.50 out of... Yeah. I bet the RAM probably came loose or something, or went bad. I might have to actually, you know, check that later on. But what's on this computer? The C drive is still named HP Pavilion. Use space 20 gigs, free space 52 gigs. It's like an 80 gig hard drive, I think. It seems pretty fast. I don't know what this local disk is. Oh, this is 7, I think. The recovery partition probably doesn't open, but oh, it does. What is this? It's a folder, but it has... Okay, so we can't even look at it. That's great. Okay. It has a VAST on here still. Okay, it shows my email address. But you guys can see it says I'm protected. If I show this. I might want to delete a VAST. A VAST free antivirus 2015. That is really old. Then again, I don't know if a VAST was bad back then or not. I've got a really old IE and a really old Firefox. Let's check the IE. Or the IE last, actually. Let's check Firefox. You can see we got some games on here, which we'll look at in a second. Oh, this is very old. Firefox ESR 52.9.0, and it's 32-bit because this is a 32-bit version. Probably look up the version and find out what year that was released. Probably around the same time. But this looks really old. There's even some bookmarks. Apparently was downloading something at one point. I don't know what. I don't know what that is, but I was trying to apparently download something and it's paused. I wonder if I resumed it if it would work. Well, I'm not going to. Let's see the bookmarks. This is really old stuff. Like, these bookmarks are so old. Like, I don't even know if any of these work anymore. And if my YouTube, when it was named that, gonna be honest, I don't prefer my old channel name at all. I'm glad I rebranded. But these are really old. Some of these may or may not work. I'm not sure. And keep in mind, I wasn't the only one that used this computer, so some of these bookmarks could have been from other people that used this computer as well, because it was, in a way, a home computer again in 2014. When I did reinstall it, it actually was being used as a home computer. Even though XP ended support, it was actually still being used, which is really surprising. Let's check out this old IE. Oh. What is this? Don't use IE. Don't use Internet Explorer. Use Firefox instead. Remember that bad IE bug that they patched, patch number 2,964,358? Is that a KB number? I think that might be a KB number. Oh my god. Well, XP users won't get that lucky next time. I think XP did get the patch. Okay. I guess that was a fake shortcut. Nice. This is the real one, I think. Yeah, this is IE8, not IE6. Like that icon right there. What in the world? About Internet Explorer. Yep, Internet Explorer 8. Well, ew, McAfee. Ew. God, ew. Okay. So some games. Toontown Rewritten. I wonder if that would still work. I think that game is still around. I haven't played that game since 2015, though, because I used to play that with my stepsister. Well, she mainly played the game. I didn't really play. I kind of just watched. Five Nights at Freddy's demo. Five Nights at Freddy's 2 demo. And Game Channel, whatever this is. Oh, it's Wild Tangent. I remember playing games on that all the time. I didn't even recognize the icon. I haven't seen it in so long. Why is the narrator on the desktop? I think I used to mess with it. Help and support, paint, disk cleanup, disk defrag, CCleaner. I don't use CCleaner anymore. It used to be good, but ever since Avast bought them, they're not nearly as good anymore. So I kind of stopped using it. Plus, it doesn't even work on a domain anymore. It thinks you're using it commercially. Malwarebytes. We'll see this Malwarebytes version. We might look at CCleaner as well. Because CCleaner, the older versions are actually still good. It's the newer ones that aren't good anymore. You know, before they were bought out, they actually were a decent software. Malwarebytes won't even open. Oh, it's down here. Yeah. That's a really old 2014 database. This is a really old version of Malwarebytes, guys. This is actually nostalgic to look at, though. That the last time this computer was on the internet was May of 2014, it looks like. That's a long time ago. Avast Secure Line. What is this? Oh, it's a VPN. No. It does have wireless, believe it or not, but I'm not going to connect this to wireless network, unless it doesn't even work, because it's not even, oh, it does show my Wi-Fi. That's really interesting, actually. I'm not going to connect to Wi-Fi, though. Windows Update, that website no longer works. Let's look at CCleaner. This is a very old version of CCleaner. Oh, it has a NVIDIA GeForce 5600 in here. Yeah, this is a really old CCleaner. Windows Update, HP Recovery. Oh, this is really interesting. It just talks about the recovery tools and things like that. If you guys want to pause and take a read at any point, you can go ahead. I'll scroll up as well if you want to see that. Alright, I'm going to close that. Windows Updates Downloader. Does this even still work? I see Avast doing something down there. I'm debating whether I should get rid of Avast or if I should keep it. I feel like it might update once I connect it though. I guess this lets you download updates, and apparently I was downloading 2,000 updates at one point. I wonder if this program still works or is still around. Because I think I use this to download updates. Because you can see this folder right here. And it has updates in it. I think I use this for a VM or something. Being honest, for this computer being a Pentium 4, it's actually pretty fast. Like, I will give it that. I want to know the health of this hard drive. I need to check that. Like, I'm honestly curious to know if it's still good. The upgrade advisor, of course. I don't know if let's open it. Oh. Should we? Nah, I don't want to. We do have crystal disk info. Never mind, it's not a valid Win32 application. I want to check that info though. And these are some programs that are installed on here. Some of this looks like might be bloatware. Oh, Microsoft Money is on here. Look at this, hot deals. My HP club, yeah, HP bloatware. More HP. Wait, let's go back. What is this? Memories disk? Memories disk creator. You guys could... Microsoft Plus. Music. There's a lot of stuff on here. This is the factory installation. So if you want to take a look at any of the programs on this computer. What is that? I don't know what that is. That's weird. It's in the startup folder. More software probably came with it. Interesting. AOL stuff. AOL Canada. American Online. Oops, I didn't mean to right click. Yahoo Best of the Web. We got Windows Messenger and MSN Explorer and other things on here. IE, Outlook Express, Media Player Firefox. There's a lot of things on here. Even Office 2007 is on here. Java, probably a really old version. Toontown games on here, the Five Nights at Freddy's demos, Avast, the 7 upgrade advisor, because as you know, I did dual boot it. I might make another video showing Windows 7 on this computer, like the 7 partition. But it's just crazy. Like the control panel, why are we in the control panel? I think it's had this background ever since I installed it. I don't think I changed it. There's more things in here. What is this stuff? I don't know. I think it's had the same background though. What is IMG 0? Something else. IMG 1. This is one of the, I think, ones that HP actually put on the system. Because HP did have some backgrounds built in. If I use the keyboard, I can go through them. I'm not giving it enough time to change, am I? It's just being really slow. But these are some of them. These are just like some of the built-in ones. This is the one I had. There's other backgrounds on here, but what are these? Oh, the HP wallpaper. I don't know what that is. What the crap is that? I don't even know. I've always liked this one on XP. I've had that one before. Info. I don't know what those are, but I'm just gonna cancel that. Probably gonna stop the video soon because, again, it's gonna be a really long video and I don't want it to be necessarily really long. What's in the documents? Oh, just a ton of random stuff. I'm not surprised, to be honest. Like, some updates are in here. And some random documents are in here. I'm not gonna open them in case they're, like, personal information or something. But even the Firefox installer's on here, so that's... Oh, that date modified. That's crazy. Oh, that's that fake IE thing, I think, that I created. As you can see. There's a Tumblr image. I'm not gonna open that. I don't know what it is, but I'm not gonna open that. Let's see if there's any images on here. Oh, it's mainly just the sample stuff, like the stuff HP includes and the sample pictures that XP includes. I like this view that they always did. And then apparently something I think I did. I don't know. Yeah, I probably did that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap up the video. There's probably more things on here. I'm just moving it in case there's anything personal. I don't think anything personal. There's a lot of downloads in here, and all these are probably really old, so... yeah. Some of these, I don't know. These are just things I've downloaded that I guess never got deleted, so... League of Legends. Who would download League of Legends? I don't even play that game, so I'm guessing that that was someone else that used the computer, because probably my stepsister, because I know she did use this computer and tried to play some games on it, so she probably downloaded it. But important stuff. I should probably open this off camera in case it's like... Oh, never mind. It's a shortcut to something fake. Once again. Another fake shortcut. No. Don't say you're not stupid when you are. Oh, it's one of these. I'm just gonna spam this. Jeez. Okay, that's that. I guess that was another... I got tricked twice in this video. I got tricked by another fake shortcut. Well, I would connect it to the internet to see if it gets updates, but I might make a follow-up video or leave something in the description, or I might make another video, but in this case, I'm gonna stop the video here because it's been recording for a while. But that's what's on this XP system, and it's crazy. I think the time's wrong on this. Yeah, that's way off. I'm actually gonna stop the video real fast and fix it. So guys, I set it to the correct time and date. I had to do it manually because the syncing the internet time did not work for some reason. I don't know why. It just didn't work. Maybe because the time was so out of date that it just didn't work. Because it said it couldn't synchronize because your date does not match. So that's probably why it didn't work, so I just set it manually. But yeah, that is the date. And now if we hover over it, it is April 8th, 2022, which is officially 8 years after XP ended support. Now, let's actually reboot the system. I wonder if these updates will change. No, let's actually reboot the system. I want to see if I get the end of support message. If not, I can probably run it. Or maybe someone checked don't show again and it's not showing. But let's watch the boot up. I know this is a long video, but I haven't showed this computer in a long time. This is what the inside looks like. It's really dusty. I need to clean it out. Let's be honest here. Windows is shutting down. More like it's restarting. But we're watch it. There's our HP. Oh, that's nice. F2 to continue. I'm gonna have to select the right OS or it's gonna boot into 7 probably. This takes a while. I really hope the hard drive isn't failing. I feel like I should back it up. I'm surprised it still works, but it just boots up really slow, which really makes me feel like the hard drive could be failing. Is that a sign of hard drive failure, guys? Leave a comment. It's gonna automatically select it. Let's watch it boot. You guys will be seeing this video tomorrow, but I will probably make my next video maybe looking at the Windows 7 partition. You know, I miss doing videos like this where I would just record, and I've been doing a lot of those the last few videos I've uploaded. Instead of just doing a screen recording on my computer over there, I've just been recording videos. I'm surprised I knew the password, to be honest. We might get the end of support now because I changed the date. However, I have a feeling that someone checked the box to not show the message again, which is probably... Oh, never mind. That is so sad. Windows XP ends support on April 8, 2014. Click here to learn more. Oh, no wonder we didn't get it. The date was wrong. It was set to 2002. This is really sad. You know. I might actually, because I might post an image of this, so I'm gonna put the box up there. You know, it's really sad that Windows XP lost support. But yeah, if we click on this, there we go. So the end of support message still exists. What happens if we click here to learn more? Let's see, guys. And apparently we have updates. You know, let's install them. No, remind me later. Download. It is actually trying to load. Oh my god, it actually loads the page. No way. What is Windows XP end of support? Microsoft provided support for the past 12 years. But it ended 8 years ago. That means 2010? No. Because we lost support in 2014. I cannot believe this page loads. I'm really surprised. I'll move this over in case you guys are interested in seeing this, but I believe if you just look up XP end of support, you'll probably come across the same page. Upgrade your current PC. It still says Windows 10, it doesn't say 11 yet, probably because most XP computers they're not going to be able to upgrade to 11. But this page still loads. That's insane. Let's close it. But people are like, oh, what do you mean XP end of support? I wonder if Avast is gonna update. I feel like it might be too old. Oh, we are downloading updates. Well, you know, I'm gonna let this download and see what it does, and I'll come back. Alright, guys, it says it found updates. So supposedly that this still works. The automatic updates in Windows XP still works. We found 18 updates. I think it's just the Office updates. Yeah, they're just Office updates. Let's install them. We still have this still here. Oh, well, how are we still installing updates if Windows XP isn't supported anymore? Well, I mean, their Office updates. I wonder why it didn't get the update for, like, the WannaCry patch. Unless maybe I did boot this around that time and installed the patch. I'm actually not sure. I don't remember. I would probably need to look up what the patch is and see if it's on here. Oh. Yeah, I know they're out of date. I'm not gonna update Avast. I might get rid of it. I'm not sure. I think it did update. It moved over here, unless it's been over there. No, it's been over there. I think it's been over there. Java updates available. Yeah, I know. But yeah, guys, I know this video is probably like a 30-minute video, but you know, I was kind of showing this computer, and this was the computer I did in that adventure. So again, in the beginning of the video, I left the card. I might actually leave the video in the description as well if you want to go watch that computer adventure. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it because it was interesting. And I used the recovery discs to restore it, and I made videos and I updated everything. I actually haven't seen that video since then. I might actually go take a watch myself and watch that video at some point again when I have time. Since I am busy with school a lot, I really should be doing my schoolwork, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. So you guys will be seeing this video tomorrow, but I'm just going to let this do its thing and update. I may or may not make another video, probably not going to since I've been recording for so long. So anyways, adding this onto the video, it did install the updates because I went back and checked it and it does say installation complete. I wonder if it's gonna get any more updates. I mean, I hope. I don't know if it will, but anyways, I'll let you guys know in this video if it does or doesn't. Well, if I see it, because I do want to get this video out. This is a very interesting video to make. I liked looking at this XP system, seeing what's on it. I'm probably going to install some games on it and play them just for nostalgia, because there's a lot of games I used to play when I was younger from my childhood, you know, and it was a lot of fun. So I think it'd be a great system. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this. Hopefully it was interesting. If you guys remember that adventure or remember this computer, leave a comment below. I know there's other videos I did on this, but I don't know if they're up. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.